How to scan a QR code on Android. This tutorial shows you how to use the built-in QR scanner or download one on your Android device. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap on the four dots or more icon to open the camera modes menu. From there, tap on the settings or gear icon to open camera settings. At this point, scroll through and find the scan QR codes toggle and make sure it is turned on. In the next step, go back to the camera and simply point it at any QR code and it will automatically detect and scan it. Following this, if you prefer a dedicated scanner, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Once done, look for a QR scanner tile in your Quick Settings. If you don't see it, tap on the pencil or edit icon to edit your Quick Settings. From here, scroll through the reserved or available tiles and look for QR Scanner. At this stage, drag it into your active Quick Settings panel and tap Done to save. After this, tap on the QR Scanner tile anytime to instantly open the scanner and scan any QR code. Finally, if neither of these options are available on your device, open the Google Play Store and search for QR Scanner to download a reliable free scanner app. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you scan QR codes, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.